Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LMDE 7, that is Linux Mint Debian edition 7 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Linux Mint official website and download. Then just mouse hover on this download. See here we have the LMDE 7. Click on it. See here LMDE is Linux mini project, which stands for Linux Mint Debian edition. Okay, see here we have the Debian edition. Now click on download. See here the edition name is Cinnamon edition. Okay, so its size is about 3 gigabytes. Scroll down, then see here we have the mirrors. Click on this, any one of these mirrors to download. See, download started, and see here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or on Linux operating system. Now click on this new or go to machine and select new. Both are same to create new virtual machine. I am giving LMDE 7 VMO. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down. Then select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO. See here I kept it here. Select the ISO image, open. See, OS change it to Linux, then select OS distribution as Debian. Then select Debian 64-bit, then don't select this, proceed with unattended installation, then specify hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes, number of CPU equals to, then virtual hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it, just click on settings. If you are okay with all the settings, then select it and click on start. Use up and down arrows, select the first one, that is start LMDE. Hit enter. See, if you want to use this LMDE 7, you can use, but if you want to install it permanently, right click on this install Linux Mint. It is there on desktop. Right click on it, then select open. See here, welcome to LMDE. This will ask you some questions and install LMDE on your system. Then select let's go. Then select the language. I am going to select English, United States. Then click on next. Then select the region from the globe, or you can select from this drop down list. You can select on the globe as well. Okay, I am going to select on the globe, then click on next. Now select the keyboard layout. I am going with the defaults, then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving username as R2 schools. This is not username, this is user full name. Then provide the computer name or host name. Later also you can change it. This is the username, then provide the password. Then select require my password to login, then click on next. See, this is the fresh installation. I am going to select automated installation. Okay, then select the device. This is the default one, then click on next. This is confirmation, click on yes. Again confirm. You want to install grub boot menu, then select the location. If you don't want, unselect it. You want, so select it and click on next. See, this is the summary of the options that we have selected. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video, and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is complete. Do you want to restart your computer to use the new system? Then select yes. See, remove the installation media, then press enter to continue. So alt control to release the cursor. Then go to VirtualBox manager. See, it is empty. If it is not empty, then click on it. Then remove disk from the virtual drive. Okay, so it is already removed. Go to here, then click on this virtual machine and hit enter to reboot the LMDE 7 virtual machine. Now provide the password. See, before we were having install Linux Mint on desktop, now it is gone. Now open terminal, so unselect this dialog box, then close it. Now verify the version, more / etc os-release. See, we have installed LMDE 7 and its code name is Gigi, okay, and its ID is Debian, okay, and its Debian code name is Trixie, and Debian version is 13.0, okay. Now update the packages, sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is going to update these packages, type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install LMDE 7 Gigi edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.